Outrage in Vancouver Whistler as Meghan demands royal helicopter, petitions flood officials. Invictus Games, founded by Prince Harry in 2014, has long been a beacon of hope and camaraderie for the wounded, injured, and ill service members and veterans. However, the upcoming 2025 edition is quickly mired in controversy as veteran participants express dismay at the reported demands of Meghan Markle, the Duchess of Sussex. Before we continue, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for updates. As the world eagerly awaits the return of the Invictus Games to Canadian soil, a group of veterans who competed in previous events have launched a fierce online petition. They asked the organizers to address their concerns before the match started. At the heart of the controversy is Meghan Markle's reported demands, including the use of a royal helicopter to transport her and her entourage during the event. The move has ruffled the feathers of many veterans. These games are supposed to be about the athletes, the wounded warriors who sacrifice so much for their country, says John, a former Invictus athlete from the United States. The last thing we need is attention drawn to the lavish demands of a member of the royal family. The petition has garnered thousands of signatures from past and present Invictus participants, highlighting the deep frustration of the veteran community. We're not asking for the moon, just a fair and equitable experience for all athletes. The Invictus Games should be the celebration of our resilience and camaraderie, not a celebration and a venue for personal agendas. Organizers of the Invictus Games 2025 remain tight-lipped, saying only that they are working closely with all stakeholders to ensure a successful and inclusive event. However, a growing public outcry forced their hand, and they promised to address the concerns for the veteran community in the coming weeks. We understand the passion and dedication of our Invictus athletes, and we're committed to ensuring their voices are heard. We're exploring all options to address the concerns raised and deliver a truly inspiring game that honors the sacrifices of our wounded warriors. However, for many veterans, the damage may have already been done. The Invictus Games are supposed to be a place where we can find camaraderie and support beyond politics and ego. Now it feels like it's all about Meghan Markle and her demands. It's really a slap in the face to all of us who put our hearts into these games. The controversy also sparked wider discussions about the royal family's role in the Invictus Games, with some calling for a more relaxed approach to ensure the event remains focused on athletes and their stories. Prince Harry had the right idea when he founded these games, but now it feels like it's being taken over by the royal family. It's not what we signed up for, says Michael of Canada. We need to take a step back and remember what really matters, the courage and resilience of the men and women who serve their country. As the Invictus Games 2025 draws closer, the tension shows no signs of abating. Organizers have promised to address the concerns of the veteran community, but many are skeptical whether their voices will truly be heard. We don't ask for special treatment or VIP treatment, John said. We just want the Invictus Games to be about us, the athletes, and our journey. Is that really too much to ask? The controversy surrounding Meghan Markle's reported demands has cast a dark cloud over the excitement of the upcoming 2025 Invictus Games in Vancouver and Whistler. The veteran community, which has long viewed the Invictus Games as a symbol of their resilience and camaraderie, now finds themselves embroiled in a fight to reclaim the event's true purpose. As organizers work to address the petition's concerns, the future of the Invictus Games in Canada hangs in the balance. The outcome of this controversy will not only shape the 2025 event, but could have lasting implications for the future of the Games and their ability to truly honor the sacrifices of service members and veterans, wounded and sick warriors all over the world.